The Makita 40V MAX XGT brushless 10-inch dual-bevel sliding compound miter saw is changing the game for the residential construction world. Makita has always been known for high-quality miter saws, but this takes it to the next level. My perfect miter saw would eliminate all cords with as much or even more power than corded. Those boxes are easily checked. This saw is part of Makita's 40V XGT system. When using a tool from this line, there really is no need for cords or gas. You also have a ton of battery options to choose from. Have you seen that new 8.0 monster? One of the most impressive features of this saw is its cutting capacity. It cut through a 3x12 like butter, and at 3600 RPM it cuts faster than most corded miter saws on the market. If you're cutting more than the saw could handle, the digital communication within XGT actively monitors and protects against overload, over-discharge, overheating, which then protects you from overspending. This can also cut up to 6 5/8 inch crown molding and 5 1/4 inch baseboard with ease. If that's not enough capacity for you, there's also a 12-inch version, part number GLS04. I'll put a link in the description for both. The easy-to-use dual beveling feature is huge too. You can miter 0 to 60 while beveling 0 to 48 left and right. There is a lock on the front that locks your bevel angle, which is real nice for the repositioning. The biggest benefit you get from any miter saw is precision, and a major plus of this saw is that it uses an LED light that casts a shadow of the saw blade onto the material for an exact cutting line. This is the most accurate method for marking your cutting line because it also takes into account the kerf of your blade to pinpoint your cuts down to the millimeter. Shadow line guides also automatically adjust if you switch your blade. And that's a big deal. You don't need to recalibrate the guide each time, and that is where other laser guides fall short. Man, just look at those beautiful forward-facing rails. The downfall of other sliding miters is all that dead space wasted behind the saw, but this Makita saw can go right against the shop wall or on a tight job site. The Festool Capex is the only other popular miter with a similar design, but there's no cordless option there today. Come on Festool, get it together and give us a cordless Capex already. This miter saw is equipped with 2 ports and Makita's AWS or Auto Start wireless system technology. It's a Bluetooth connection between the tool and dust extractor. You need the AWS transmitter, part number is 198501-5, and it can be inserted into the miter saw to control the saw and dust extractor all in one. Are the Makita XGT 10-inch and 12-inch miter saws the best? You'll have to make that call for yourself, but it checks all the boxes for me. Tons of power, cordless for days, huge capacity, LED shadow, forward-facing rails, and just a great all-around design. I'm Nick with Ohio Power Tool. Thank you for watching. Get back to work. We'll see you next time.